Hey guys, welcome back to Tim's Vlog channel. How are you guys doing today? Let me know in the comments. So today I thought we would take an adventure and show you Pioneers Park that is in Lincoln, Nebraska. I do apologize about the wind. It is pretty windy out here. But I wanted to show you this awesome buffalo that is in the front entrance of Pioneers Park. So here in the entrance is the buffalo. It's a pretty cool sculpture. And it's been out here for years, I can tell you that. Must be the guy who did it. H. Rohard Fondor Paris. Interesting. Well, yeah, that's the buffalo. And we might be able to see some real ones, hopefully, in the back. So it says, this park and this statue are gifts to the city of Lincoln from John F. Harris and Gertrude Upham Harris, and are dedicated to the memory of those pioneers from Lincoln, Nebraska, on May 17, 1930. Check out this awesome landscape around here with these trees all around in a circle and these logs in a circle. This is like really cool. Check out all these like nice views around here in this park, like the trees, the grass. Like it's starting to green up since now it's, you know, basically getting into May. Just some nice views around here.
Sorry, Panda, I'm gonna take you home.
But then there is a nature center back there, I believe. Down that way. Doesn't look to be open right now. So we're out here in the back of Pioneers Park. There is supposed to be buffalo out here, but it is really windy. And I just stepped outside, and I knew if I hold my camera out there trying to record something, it wouldn't be very good audio. But I can turn it around and I can show you like the landscape though what's out here. So here we got, you know, the fence and the land that's all out here. And they even have like a sign over there for about buffalo that are in the area. I thought maybe there's one way over there, that thing right there, but it's not. But yeah, this is basically where the buffalo hang out. And I was told that antelope hang out over there somewhere, but there was nothing outside over there either. So I'm guessing it's because of the weather, and all the animals do not want to be outside right now. But it's still a cool view and shots that I can get. It's an old water fountain. Isn't that kind of cool though? And then maybe that's supposed to be a bathroom or something. It's really neat. You don't get to see these very often. It's like you are back in like the 1800s. There's been some renovations to it, I can tell, obviously. And they got pieces on the window, or metal pieces guarding the window. This is really cool. Came across a statue up there on a hill. I was thinking about maybe I'll go up there and check it out. It's very peaceful out here in this big yard too, though. You even got a place to play baseball, softball, whatever you want. There's a small lake over there. And then behind me, there is a park and a bench shelter so you can have picnics. Looks like people have been going that way up to a path straight up to it, but it's too muddy to be doing that. So we're gonna walk up the hill here. And then it looks like there are some steps right up here. Looks like there's all kinds of paths around here that people have been making on their own. All right. So there is a whole list of sand up here that you find in a sandbox. That's a view from down up, being up here. And this is an Indian, and it looks like he's performing a ceremony of some sorts. And as you can see, he's got a fire going right there, or what would they call a fire? There's a lot of interesting views from like up here. Just look at that, how big it is. It's just like, woo, it's right there. And he's surrounded by all these blocks, cement blocks. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool statue for sure. There's a lot of scenery out here for sure. Following another road, I believe this will go back to the exit, if I remember. But there's a pond over here, I should say, not a lake, like I said earlier. Oh, yeah. Lots of winding roads in here too. They even have a stage out here where concerts can come play, which is pretty cool. And they park back here and hang out before the show starts, and then everybody crowds around in there to watch them. Interesting fact about Pioneers Park. We're coming back up to the entrance of it, so this is it right here, where we started from the beginning. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so stick around for more vlog adventures, and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, share it with your friends and family. And we'll see you on the next vlog. The vlog is over. Also in the far distance you can see the